The day is fast spent. I'm sure if we ask each and every one of us here to speak to what are the challenges that confront Nigeria, and in particular as they affect Edo State, any one of us can effortlessly read them out. But today we have to come here to lament. The slogan of the next president by the special grace of God is renewed hope. Renewed hope. Not to wallow in self-pity. Tears is not what our people need. What our people need are solutions that are viable, that they can say through. There are no miracles in the life of a nation. Whatever we must promise, we must show how to get it done. I think that's what makes the difference. Our support for Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu flows from the fact that many have been governors, including myself. Many have faded away, but he has remained constant. What is it that makes it constant? That you have sustained unbroken record in Nigeria's most populous state, the Nigeria industrial headquarters and commercial depth center, that is Lagos. A state where we have not had issues of religious violence, no ethnic fight. Somebody laid foundation for the peaceful coexistence such that of the 774 local government that makes up Nigeria, there is no local government that is not represented in Lagos. Our candidate, by the special grace of God, the next president, knows that I am not used to flattering anybody. On the contrary, I am one of the few who have had the guts to challenge Asiwaju as governor of Lagos State and ask him to pay wages like federal man. And when he didn't agree, we organized a strike. But he told me he will solve the problem. What is Nigeria's problem? Nigeria's problem is resource gap. What we want to do relative to our resources available. And as you assured me then that Lagos has enough to meet not only the need of workers, but to kickstart the engine of growth and progress in Lagos State. At that time, the revenue was 600 million. He showed me the books. When I saw that, I can't sustain my argument. I said, sir, how you manage your 600 million is your headache. How I need more way to go to war is my headache. Let everybody carry his headache. Today, he built that revenue to over 60 billion naira a month. And on the side of the workers, that I used to try to lecture him what it takes to enter Modwell. There is no more Modwell in Lagos. You now have modern buses in Lagos. Oshiomhole has disappeared. But Onitsha has remained what it was. What did I say? The mandate of Oshiomhole has disappeared. But the crisis in Onitsha persists. He was governor of Lagos the way Peter Obi was governor of Anambra, and Onitsha is part of Anambra State. Is somebody see the difference? Talking of federalism, restructuring, through federalism, whatever that means. On record, the only governor who has had the guts to go beyond words, to practically try to bring a reality to the concept of federalism, in which every state can order its affairs according to the will or wishes of the people of the state. As you are here to create one local government, and President Obasanjo of PDP 14. When we have crisis, and Atiku advised providing additional support. They withheld the allocation to Lagos State for 2 years. They defied Supreme Court order. For 3 years, Asiwaju ran Lagos based on its locally generated revenue. What is the story? Which is to teach us that the business of leadership is not to cry over problems. Turn problems to opportunities. They are meant as a challenge to overcome, not a basis to design your faith. That is my confidence in my leader. Leaders don't join the people to cry. Leaders find solutions. No complaint. In Lagos, the problem we have today, which he will speak to by himself, is that you often hear the crisis. Fortunately, the Minister of Power is here, but the DSS, the military and the military of we generate air power 7,000. We can only distribute 4,000 because the transmission system is not working. That's why you say, why do you make food in Edo State and try to carry it by truck to Kogi State and the truck break down at Opera? The woman who cook the food here has no food. The person waiting for the food in Okene can't get the food. Negative economics, the logic. So he brought in error. Obasanjo stopped him. But thank God, Obasanjo is no more president. Tinubu has survived. The succeeding presidents restore what Obasanjo denied him. Those local governments, they refused to call them at their proper name. He decided to introduce what they call development center. Can you see courage? Once you are convinced about something, no obstacle can stop you. For me, that is leadership. Today, Nigeria faces that problem, and I'm sure in his speech, he's going to tell us how he will ensure that we move from a nation where poor people are made to pay bills based on estimate of the supplier. Estimate, Nigeria in the 21st century, as well as assured in his plan of action, which I have read, and we should read, that practice will go. Not only must we guarantee power, you can't pay for what you did not eat. Even in my village, you don't excrete if you have not eaten. So the logic of somebody doing estimated bill cannot happen under his government. We need jobs, but we can't create jobs through generator. No economy can be powered by generator. We have insecurity. You will be to the fact that during the war up to the 1969 or so, we had 250 soldiers defending Nigeria. Then we were 50 million people. Today we are 200 million people, and we still have about 250 men in uniform. In jail alone, I said we cannot double the men in uniform, we cannot double the men in police, we can't double the men in intelligence community. If you do all of that, we have young men and women who can be employed, and we are not giving them token out of sympathy. We give them job to add value to make Nigeria a safer place. So Your Excellency, you have all the answers and not to speak on you, but because I am here also as your Deputy Director of campaign, and you have lectured me about your plan of action, I am familiar with the content. I'm convinced about your ability to do it. I have lived in Lagos, I have seen it. So I am convinced that in moments like this, we need a leader who can see. And last week I saw a video, and that video is my first one that I made. That video shows Asiwaju in China negotiating free trade agreement where industries can locate without all the bureaucracy that creates obstacles to progress. That same time we were signing the agreement, I think it was auctioning Naija. You know Naija? Naija was opposed to, and it was a viable concern, fabricating ships. Article sold it today, Naija is done. But the free trade zone that Asiwaju went to create, borrow the example from China, copy what works. This is not throwing statistics at us. It's throwing ideas and domesticating those ideas and translating them. Today, the African trade zone, as you know, sir, is now hosting Africa's largest, world's second largest refinery. And the largest fertilizer company, and more industries are going there. So, when an auctioneer in chief, which stakeholders having privatized NITEL and it disappeared. Privatized NITEL, it disappeared. Privatized data stream, your data stream, it disappeared. You want to come back to Auctioneer, we must stop it. So, Your Excellency, I can go on and on for it is your case. But I am a complete follower and I need to say the message as I can deduce from your plan of action.